everyone. Welcome to Creative Union Yoga, a deeply reflective yoga movement practice for every body. That's yoga, but not really yoga. So this next few weeks, we're going to work on the feet. Okay, so all that beautiful summer activity we're doing, hiking, running, biking, all those amazing things, our feet may need a little extra love and attention. So the next few weeks we'll focus on that. Foot health is very, very important for the rest of the body's health. Okay, so what you're going to need is a beautiful little ball. You don't need to go get any fancy yoga ball. I literally get these at the dollar store. I'm going to find a more eco-friendly version at some point, but you can get them at the dollar store. It's literally a 5-year-old's bouncy ball. And the consistency of the rubber is just hard enough. It's not too hard, not too soft. Okay, so grab yourself a ball and we will get started. For now, I'm going to place this ball right to my side here, and then we'll start resting back. So maybe with the legs nice and long, or you can keep the knees bent, your choice. And just bring the awareness to the feet. See if you can bring the mind to the soles of the feet. And on an in-breath, as if you're drinking up some amazing, positive, earthly energy all the way up the legs to the pelvis. And on an out-breath, drop the pelvis and send the unwanted energy down the legs and out the soles of the feet. Drinking in the new, pouring out the old. And then as you continue to bring the awareness to the feet, you may want to flex and point the feet a few times. Circle the ankles, circle the feet. So you begin to notice as we continue with this deep focus in the feet, you might notice that other areas of the body are going to reap the benefits as well. So just pay attention to that as we go along. Good. There's a nice little exercise to lengthen out the Achilles and the ankle. And that's by placing, so we'll take the right foot and just take it off the ground, placing the Achilles, so the back of the ankles between the big toe and the second toe of the left foot. Find that cozy spot so that those two toes are essentially hooking to the top of the heel. Breathe in, drink through the soles of the feet, exhale. Draw the heel away from the leg with the toes. Good. And then switch feet at some point. Again, hooking the heel with the right foot or toes this time. Exhale, pull and lengthen. You may also start to feel the lengthening of the skull away from the heel as well. This may offer some extra spinal elongation. Good. And then resting the heels on the ground. You can dig the heels into the ground a little bit and kind of rock them forward and back. See if you can feel the ripple effect all the way up the body to the skull. Good. And then bending the knees And tap into that inner 2-year-old, your inner child, and throw a little bit of a tantrum. Run the feet, let out any excess negative energy. Or you can think of running the feet as stimulating the feet and ankles and legs, bringing some blood flow to this most often neglected part of the body. Yeah. Good, keeping the face relaxed, upper body relaxed. Good, maybe thump the heels, tap the toes. Good. And then maybe take the sole of the right foot and just rub it along the top of the left foot, like ankle, lower leg, shin. Trust me, you'll feel amazing after this. Or your ankles, feet, and legs. Good. And then switching feet. So left foot rubbing along the top of the right. Ankle, shin, lower leg. Oh yeah, you can get that heel right into the calf. Yep. Okay. Good. And then maybe run the feet a little more. And then just take a moment to exhale, drop the body into the earth. So drawing that left leg in to the abdomen, you can start circling the foot, flexing and pointing. And this is where you might start to notice or feel some space being created in the ankle and the foot. Some release may be happening. Good. And then turn that leg out and place, you can place the foot on the bottom leg and just take time maybe massaging your feet. Don't be afraid to touch your feet. Really get in there. Another place that I love to massage is between the toes, but on the metatarsals. So the toes are referred to as the phalanges. The metatarsals are like the ball of the foot. So right between those bones, getting right in there. Good. Good. And then take a hold of the ankle with both hands. So you're going to place the outside of the ankle into the hands, and your thumbs are going to kind of wrap around that bone on the inside of your ankle. And you're going to hold the ankle in that way, but let the foot be relaxed so you can dangle the foot a little bit. So I'm supporting the ankle, but giving room for it to jostle and jiggle. Good. Awesome. And then circle. And then this is where you're going to grab a hold of your ball, and you're going to place it underneath the sole of that left foot, still working with that left foot, and give it a little roll. Good. Come back over here. Come here, you hear me? Good. Sometimes you I like to take the opposite foot and place it on top of the foot that the ball is under for a little extra guidance and support and weight. Yeah. Good. So just be mindful of how much pressure you're putting into the ball. Just find what's comfortable. If it's too much where things are tightening and seizing up, that's not good. Then you're not really releasing the fascia and the tissue, yeah. Good. And then take a moment to Place both of the feet on the ground without the ball. What does that feel like? Good. And then I may draw the right leg in. Again, circle the foot. Flex and point the foot. And then turn that leg out, rest it on the thigh of the bottom leg and start to massage a little bit in the soles of the feet. Base of the heel, around the heel. The balls of the feet, yep. In between the metatarsals. Oh yeah, get those fingers in there. Get them in there. Work them out. Work out that tension. For me and my feet, it's so tender, that area. But it's kind of like a good, it's like that good pain. I wouldn't say it's pain, it's just tender. It's like getting a massage. Feels good. Nice. Good. And then grabbing a hold of the ankle, supporting the ankle, placing the outside of the ankle in the fingers, yeah. And then the thumbs are kind of cupping or surrounding that bone on the inner part of the ankle. Yeah, I'm gonna find those little divots and creases in my ankle, and then again, relax the foot and give the leg or the ankle a bit of a, or the foot a little bit of a jostle. Good. Again, don't be too vigorous or too aggressive with this, just a little jostle. Keep breathing. Good. Circle the ankle. And then I'm gonna get that ball under my foot, the right foot this time. Go to town. Again, just be mindful of the pressure. Can use that left foot to guide the right foot. Good. So when you're satisfied, you can place both feet back on the ground. Rest for a few breaths. See if you notice any change in your feet. You can draw the legs in if you'd like, circle the ankles. And a nice little movement to test the release in the feet is bridge pose, which we did, which was our last series of videos. So maybe just take a moment to get both feet planted, grounded. Exhale. And roll up and down a few times. And see if you notice a change in your spine, your ability to ground. How do the feet feel as your support? And there you have it. There's a little practice to release the feet. There are 2 more practices to release the feet, so stay tuned for those. As always, continue exploring your body, your breath, your movement, yogis. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like, comment on the video, and we will see you on the mat very, very soon. Think love, speak love, be love. Namaste.